I wake up to the sounds of the silence that allows for my mind to run.
Hey guys, new 3D art challenge by ZugZug Studio is here. Main theme is Arcane Style and Runeterra universe, starting on November 10, 2024. Chance to win amazing Riot Games loot, your artwork review by Riot Games veterans, ZugZug courses, artwork promotion and even more. To take a part in the challenge, join ZugZug Studio Discord, one of the biggest and active discords for hand-painted and stylized 3D art. Find challenge registry room and post Zaun site or Piltover AOL. Rules: your model should be stylized PBR or hand-painted 3D with Arcane Style vibes. Characters, groups, or environments, you can go with anything you want, just make sure you are not 100% copying any of existing art. At least add a bit of your artistic touch to it. It could be Jinx but pink hair and wearing glasses. Or maybe she's a vampire now. The deadline for entries is December 18, 2024. Final submission should be an Artstation link with finished project and presentation, including 3D viewer like Marmoset or Sketchfab, and post your final submission at Challenge Never Ends Discord room. We have a special guest, the legendary Riot Games artist Philip Zhang. He will help us with judging the challenge. Entries will be judged by ZugZug team and Philip Zhang on creativeness, technical quality and arcane style vibes. Challenge artwork reviews and winners announcement will happen live on YouTube. Join us and let's have some fun.